Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Cosori brand dual blaze air fryer and it's giving you an E3 error, and you're wondering, first of all, what is this error, and second of all, what do I need to do about it? Especially because if you have an E3 error, it's probably going to shut off on you. So first of all, what is the E3 error? Well, the E3 error is simply that this air fryer has an overheating safety mechanism where if the temperature sensor senses it getting too hot, it will cut it off. So, what you need to do about this is really simple. All you should do if you get this E3 error is just turn it off and then unplug it and then just leave it for, to fully cool, maybe 30 minutes or even an hour if you've got that long. And once it gets fully cooled down, then you can fire it up again, and it should be working fine because it will have had a chance to cool down. And if it comes back, you can just let it cool down again. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.